The Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat, previously known as the Boeing Airpower Teaming System and the Loyal Women Project, is a stealth multi-role unmanned aerial vehicle in development by Boeing. It is designed as a force multiplier aircraft capable of flying alongside manned aircraft for support and performing autonomous missions independently using artificial intelligence. The Ghost Bat is an unmanned aircraft with a current planned introduction date in 2024-25, which incorporates artificial intelligence and utilizes a modular mission package system in the nose where the entire nose of the aircraft can be removed and quickly swapped for another nose with a different set of equipment or armaments for various missions including combat force reconnaissance and electronic warfare. One role will be to support and protect manned aircraft. The UAV will be designed to act as a loyal wingman that is controlled by a parent aircraft, to accomplish tasks such as scouting or absorbing enemy fire if attacked, as well as operating independently. The Royal Australian Air Force wants to put the drone into operation in 2024. The plan is to team the MQ-28 with existing manned combat aircraft like the F-35A stealth fighter, F/A-18 ABS Super Hornet and EA-18G Growler electronic attack aircraft and fly air combat reconnaissance and surveillance missions. It could also serve in a protector role for high-value airborne assets like KC-30 tankers and E-7 Wedgetail airborne early warning aircraft. The aircraft will be the first fighter aircraft designed and developed by Boeing in more than half a century. Boeing has said that it will depend on the market whether the aircraft is manufactured in Queensland or the United States on September 21, 2021. The Australian Air Force initially planned to buy 3 air-power teaming systems as part of the Loyal Wingman Advanced Development Program. The 3 drones were built at an automated production line in Brisbane, QLD. The production line is a proof of concept for full-scale production. The order was increased to 6 with a $115 million contract days after the first flight. Boeing announced it powered up the engine of its first air-power teaming system, unmanned aircraft, for the first time in September 2020. The engine test is part of ground testing to prepare for the first flight before the end of 2020. The Boeing AirPower teaming system prototype moved under its own power for the first time in October 2020, conducting low-speed taxi tests at Australian Air Force Base Amberley. The Boeing AirPower teaming system later performed a high-speed taxi test at an unnamed remote location in December 2020. 2 more test flights occurred at the Australian Air Force Woomera Range Complex sometime in early November 2021, where prototype successfully raised and engaged its landing gear, while a second prototype completed its first test flight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you next time.